In today's video, I will show you how I made my homemade curry masala. Let's begin. So I started by toasting all my ingredients. List is on the screen. I put all of them in a dry frying pan and toasted it for some few minutes. This will make the aroma come out very well. You can imagine the aroma in my kitchen when I was toasting this. So after that, NEPA took light as usual. It's Nigeria now. So I had to pound it because I needed it to cook that night. So I had to pound it. I pounded and I sieved it out like this. Pounded the chaff again and sifted it again. After which I went in with the last ingredient. That is turmeric powder. Because the turmeric is in powder, so I didn't toast it